Welcome to Season 2 of Crypto Game Check. I'm Thomas K, your new host for this season, and if you're joining us for the first time, we dive deep into the cryptoverse, figure out what new fun games there are, and to see if they're worth your time, worth the grind, or maybe even earn some money. Sounds intense, but for the first game this season, we have the simplest game of all, something that even your grandpa can play, your dad can play, your 5-year-old little sister can figure this out. This is Tap Fantasy. Okay, this is Tap Fantasy. It's free to play, super user friendly, and there's potential to earn some money. Okay, first things first, you just head to their website. All you have to do is press play now, create your account, which I already have, and choose whichever chain that you prefer, and you jump right into things. Not gonna lie, the graphics are a little bit sus. But once you get past that distraction, the game's actually very decent. Let's just talk about the game for a little bit first before we actually head into the parts where you can earn money. It's essentially an MMORPG game, which means you level up as the game progresses. You find new characters, find items, and using those items, that's when you sell and get money. So first things first, you can choose whether you want to be male or female. I mean, clearly wife material, so let's just name her wife, and then let's get into things. So okay, you get into a slight tutorial first. Literally all you do is just tap. Tap on the place you want to go, tap on the things that you want to fight. So I've been playing it for a couple of days, and I have so far made $0. Okay, I'm not there yet. So at this point, I've got like characters at like level 26. You can basically increase their levels by feeding them good food, and you also have equipment that will start to scale. So all this is just by grinding out in the game, discovering more of the map. So for example, we've got these like stronger monsters now. Let's go. I have 3 characters, so you can see like, if they're fighting me, I still don't have to do too much until I see, for example, this kind of thing. I can tap out of it and just dodge it. And let's go. Flame fireballs. Big explosions. Let's go. Okay, easy, easy. Let me open a chest, and yeah, these are your kind of day-to-day rewards. They don't get you too much, but they help you progress through the game. So once you get different kind of items, what happens is in your item bag, you can actually start to merge these and create stronger equipments. So there are lots of like different things that you can do in this game. For example, even with feeding them the food, right, you could make different kind of things like better food to make them level up even faster. Yeah, for example, with tomatoes, I could actually make a creamy tomato soup. Call me a chef. Throughout most of the game, you're actually just going to grind and fight different monsters and try to get more gems. With more gems, you're going to go through your different kind of rewards here to get better items and kind of scale your characters. So let's actually try to get to a dungeon. Can I fly here yet? I haven't even gotten to the part where we're earning anything. I am riding on a rainbow! I'm on a boat! We're experiencing things firsthand with me too. Yeah, I've never fought this monster and it looks badass, so... Oh, this is like a mini boss fight. Okay. There we go. But let's jump into how you can earn money in this game. Okay, to earn in this game, there are various ways. I think the most direct way is from the Colosseum. What happens in the Colosseum is that you actually do a PvP fight. So using my team, I would fight against someone else. So for example, this person here who's out-leveled me in a spectacular fashion here. So you're probably gonna watch me get killed on the first fight. You keep fighting PvP battles and rake in all the trophies that you can. At the end of the week, if you're placed in the top percentages of the rankings, you will get a split of the prize pool. That's when you get your first bunch of gold, and that's when you get your first bunch of tap tokens. Both of these tokens you can actually swap out for real cash in your wallet. So the last one, which is not listed here, is the magic crystal token. You get those from completing challenges or fighting world bosses. The other 2 ways are from the seasonal rewards. So seasonal rewards are also split into 2. You get them either your club being placed very high or your personal ranking being placed high. Once again, these are trophy dependent, and it's going to be very difficult because if you're a new player, you don't have like the strongest skins, so you're probably not going to be that consistent with the amount of trophies that you get. So which brings us to the last way that you can earn, which is from trading. So you can go into the shop and you can list your items, for example. So I can list here like total price, I can just be like super expensive. I can list it super high and people can buy these items and I can earn from that. You can be selling your equipment or you can sell your ingredients that you find on the map. And if people buy it, then, oh, someone bought my stuff.
Wow.
Oh, I made a first sale. Woo, I made another sale.
Wow.
Yo, great. So yeah, then you can either choose to accumulate or you can use those money to buy even better equipment for yourself and upgrade your characters in-game to try to earn even faster. So really up to you. There's a whole in-game economy present. So overall, I think it's a very cute game and a very simple game for you to get into. It might get a little bit repetitive at the start, but with the new monsters you uncover, at the new maps that you discover, and the different ways for you to play your PvP battles with the new upgraded items that you have, it gets quite addictive. In fact, I'm even thinking whether I should buy some gold and buy some new characters for myself. Speaking of which, if you do want to buy some new characters, you can actually get limited edition characters on the Bybit NFT marketplace. So over here, for example, this is all the new characters that are out for Tab Fantasy, and they have really cute looking ones. These are all the waifus. Of course, they're the top few. They're definitely super strong in battle as well. That's why they have all their rarity rankings. On top of that, you can also purchase the Tab token available on Bybit as well that you can use to upgrade your special NFT skins. You can then use your hero NFTs to either dominate at the game or resell them on the marketplace for a slight profit. Okay, so I don't think this is a game which I'm going to earn a fortune off of, but it's definitely still fun enough for me to play on my phone while commuting. And on top of that, if I purchase an NFT, I could also potentially sell it for a profit on the marketplace. So that's it. Let us know what you think about this game, and do remember to like, share and subscribe. If you have any other games you would like us to play test, leave it down in the comment sections below. This is Thomas K on Crypto Game Check. We'll see you guys next week.